Hey guys, we're back today with 3 quick questions. We got Domino back on the show, the Southeastern CCW champion. Yo, how you been, man?
Good, man. I miss you. I feel like I haven't seen you since before. I've won this beautiful piece of jewelry.
Man. How's 2025 treating you? Good?
Great but hard.
Hell
great
yeah.
but difficult. Every title defense has just been getting harder and harder. So
cool, man. Hey, tonight we're asking people, when you were like a fan, you still are, but who was what was your first match you saw in person?
Man, the match that always comes to mind as a kid was Razor Ramon and Shawn Michaels, that first ladder match.
Okay.
It's the most distant memory I can remember of wrestling. Always going to Blockbuster. My mom would take my brother and I, and every week we would just rent the same VHS tape. I'm just rewatching that match, and Razor Ramon, my fellow Cuban, you know.
Hey. And besides your moves, what's your favorite move? That you might want to steal, or that you just admire from afar,
Man, anything that could drop somebody on their head and just finish them, and that's the most effective move. So that's why the domino effect is quick, you know?
They ain't getting
Trying
up
to put
from
them
that.
out. Yeah.
All right, man. And the last thing, can you tell the people about what you're doing, man? Your podcast, your little series you got going?
Yeah,
let the people know.
Yeah, thank you for letting me plug my stuff.
Yeah, plug it up, man.
Man, it's I know we were just talking about it off camera. It's a lot of work that goes into starting these little video series and whatnot, but one, I appreciate you and I respect what you do. It's not easy, and thank you for showcasing us and for the passion and love of professional wrestling. So thank you, and I respect you for doing it, because I've seen now firsthand with Cafecito Chats, which you can watch every second Wednesday at 3:05 p.m. featuring the point of it is it's Cafecito Chats. Just follow me on Instagram. You'll see where you can watch it. And it's just try to, I'm passionate about my culture, my city, where I came from, if that's apparent, I'm sure. And it's just pretty much a vessel that I try to use so that people can connect to, what makes me so passionate and different. Miami is more than just South Beach and pretty lights, and Ocean Drive. There's personalities in Miami. There's a lot of depth in Miami. There's a lot of, tough upbringings in Miami. And there's a lot more to showcase. So through Cafecito Chats, it's interviewing different people that have made a name for themselves in the community, or not even people that made a name for themselves. And I'm sorry, I'm long-winded, so I talk a lot. I'm from Miami, I'm Cuban, so I talk a lot.
You're blowing up in Miami, man. You say Domino, then you're moving in, man. So continue, man.
But yeah, it's just a way to. It doesn't have to be known figures or whatnot, but even and I've said it recently at a recent show, that the lady that I go to the nearest Cuban bakery and serves me my coffee every morning, that's a service she's providing every morning. People have a communication with that lady that it's like cafecito, getting your Cuban coffee is like your water cooler chats in the office,
Wow, yeah.
So it's just trying to showcase something I'm passionate about.
Check it out, guys, because everything Domino does is fire. It's gold, So
thank you.
Cool, Domino. Where can they find you on social media?
At Domino CCW, dale. Oye,
hey, come on, man.
Ponte la pila.
Ooh, hey, thanks, Domino. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you guys.